Hello, unexpected tutorial or could be complete failure because I've never done it and I'm just trying to figure out how to do it right now. So what has happened? As the title say, I cut the yarn before waving ends. So accidentally, I cut it. I should have a longer section over here to wave in maybe this direction like I did over here with the first end. So we need to assess the situation first. So in my case, you can notice that this is the wrong side and I have something going on over here, but then I have a longer thread over that. And I could imagine this went over here to create a stitch. So I'm missing that bit. What I'm thinking to do, I'm going to take a tapestry needle and I'm going to take another bit of yarn and create that stitch. So I have over here some of the bits that I cut off. One is quite long and okay, I'm changing my mind. I'm going over here from the right side just to create the stitch because it's way easier, it looks, and hopefully whatever I did over here will be okay. I think this is waved in from this, so I need to just, so now I have to just secure this end. I like to go with a horseshoe style, so just like this, just follow the yarn, and I could cut this, and let's learn lesson. Once you do one, you can cut the yarn and we can go over here. Well lads, it's handmade, though special touches. I probably shouldn't go over this section, but it's extra love. Brilliant. And now probably I have enough to do something with it, but I think I'm going to do it with a hook. So let's see it. Let's grab here, move it here. Let's grab here, move it here. And you know what? I can go a different direction. So that way, if I did, let's say something on the right and I'm changing it another direction, I think it's better. It's well secured. I'm going to leave it like that. This is 50% wool, 50% alpaca, so it's going to felt and work as a one piece. If that was superwash, is that superwash? I'm going to tell you anyway. Yeah, so I kind of fixed it. Fix a little bit. Something is sticking out. What do you think?